saying number 122. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, was accompanying a funeral when he heard someone laugh. Then he said, "Is it that death had been ordained only for others? Is it that right is obligatory only on others? Is it that those whom we see departing on their journey of death will come back to us? We lay them down in their graves and then enjoy their estate, as if we will live for good after them. We have ignored every preacher, man or woman, and have exposed ourselves to every catastrophe.